Hello everyone, this is St. Joseph Convent School, Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh. We are going to start a new book review series with a book named Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So let's start. The book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is written by Roald Dahl and it is illustrated by Quentin Blake. There are 179 pages in this book. Book has normal font. Sometimes capital font is included. Few pictures are also included in this book. The book contains 30 chapters. On the last page of book, there is a word by Roald Dahl himself that is Oompa Loompa. The main character of this book is Charlie Bucket. Other characters of this book are Mr. Willy Wonka, Augustus Globe, Veruca Salt, Violet Beauregard, Oompa Loompa, and Mike Terry. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a 1964 children's novel by British author Roald Dahl and it is illustrated by Quentin. The story features the adventure of a young Charlie Bucket inside the chocolate factory of eccentric chocolateer Willy Wonka. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a children's novel especially for ages 6 and up. The protagonist of the novel Charlie Bucket is a kid who is starving poor. He is a lovable and a lovely boy living with his parents and devoted grandparents, so old and sick to get out of bed. Charlie's grandpa, Joey, always keeps him captivated by his astonishing stories about Willy Wonka's mysterious chocolate factory and his efforts to keep his amazing recipes from leaking to other candy makers after a few days. Willy Wonka announces he has placed a golden ticket in 5 chocolate bars, and each person who finds the ticket will call to visit a chocolate factory which was closed years ago. Charlie was too poor, he can't buy more than one ticket, and he takes the chance. Will this single bar of chocolate change his whole life? Never thought even. Or would it will be mild disappointment? This book is available on Amazon, Flipkart, and in a school library. About the author. The author of this book, Roald Dahl, 1916 to 1990, who was the British novelist, short story writer, poet, screenwriter, and a wartime fighter pilot. His books have sold more than 250 million copies worldwide. Dahl was born in Wales and spent most of his life in England. He rose to prominence as a writer in 1940s with works for children and adults, and he became one of the world's best-selling authors. He has been cited as one of the greatest storytellers for children of the 20th century. Quentin Blake. Sir Quentin Blake was born in 1932, is an English cartoonist, circularist, illustrator and a children's writer. He has illustrated over 300 books, in which 18 written by Roald Dahl, which are among most popular works. As a children's illustrator, he won Biennial International Hans Christian Andersen Award in 2002, the highest recognition available to creators of the children's books. There is a movie also about this book. The next part of this book is Charlie and the Glass Elevator. Thanks for watching.
Take it.